So they have this new thing out now that apparently you can like order a hair dye set and have it sent to your house, and you can like literally pick like whether you want it sent monthly or bi-monthly or every 8 weeks or 12 weeks or 16 or however far apart you need your stuff done. And they send it literally everything in a kit right to your house. I know there's a few different ones out. The one that I tried was eSalon. And again, I apologize because this is kind of me in the raw, the fresh, the, you know, all natural. Because I'm getting ready to do this. And I'll just show you guys really fast. Like, I've got some serious roots, some grayness coming in here. So that's my big problem. And they have this little online thing that you fill out, basically. And you go through, like, you know, what kind of hair you have and your type of hair and your color and what you're wanting to achieve and your problem things. So obviously my problem is, you know, grays. So they sent this to me, which is actually kind of nifty. Apparently, like, this color is literally made just for you. As you can see, it says Alexandra Blakeman, and then it's got my formula ID and what this is for. Bottle 1 for roots, you know, and then they've got a second bottle here. Same thing, bottle 2 for ends, my formula ID and my name. It's very, very personalized, very cute. They even sent gloves, a little hairbrush thing. I've got actually a professional one of these, so, you know, we'll try it out and see how good that is. They even have it's Heart Locket Color Care Shampoo, conditioner, stain guard, and stain remover. So, you know, if you, and gloves, 2 pair of gloves, actually, which will be kind of awesome because my daughter is going to be helping me with this, fun little adventure that we're about to be on here. So yeah, they give you literally pretty much everything you need here, and it's kind of cool. So we're gonna go get started and try this thing out and see what all the hype's about. Okay, guys, so they kind of give you like a step-by-step guide of everything, and I apologize that you're looking at my toilet right now. I do not have any counter or sink space in my bathroom at all, like in neither of my bathrooms. It actually sucks. But either way, they give you, like I said, specific personalized instructions, and so basically at the part that I'm at right now is, you know, prepping and sectioning off my hair. And so that's what we are doing right now. And then they have a section for your roots, and then your ends, and then a blend, and then cleansing and conditioning. So let's get started. All right, just show again everybody where we're at. Like, I'm in like the sectioning off part, and you know, just so you guys can also see my little X-Men rogue streaks that are coming in. Like, I have a lot of gray, and it comes in literally, as you can see, in like sections, and it sucks. So hopefully this will cover that without doing a bunch of damage to my hair, because those of you guys that know me know that my hair has been through enough. Okay, now that we're a few steps further in, I just wanted to show you guys this right here. All of these 4 packs were inside of this right here. So this is the shampoo and the conditioner, and then the stain guard that you put on prior to your application, and then stain remover to get any excess mistakes that you may have made on your face or skin. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. This is the cream developer, and I already pulled a little tab off there. You know, obviously always make sure your color and everything is sealed. So I am now pouring my 20 into my 20 for my stubborn gray rogue roots. And then it says to vigorously shake. And you can actually do this in it gives you directions for like a bowl too if you wanted to do this in a bowl. I just prefer to do bottles. Just makes it a little easier. But as you can see, there's like plenty, like this bottle is literally full. So that's going to be like actually more than enough to do my hair and then some. So, and this is just for my roots. So, I mean, that's a lot. So don't worry about them not sending you enough. All right, my phone is getting ready to die, and I've got to get in the shower, but I just wanted to show you guys my covered in black hair dye. But here's where we're at, and so I'm getting ready to get in the shower and do the last process, or last two processes, I guess, right now. And so I just got out of the shower, and I wanted to show you this. So far, it looks like it got everything. All my little rogue streaks are gone. So, you know, actually took a lot to get the dye out of my hair and to rinse it out. Like, I mean, it took a lot to rinse it out, but it is it's so far looking really good. So I don't want to blow dry my hair right now, just because of it just being processed. So I'm gonna let it air dry tonight, and then we'll check it out tomorrow morning. Okay guys, so it is now morning, and I just got done brushing my teeth and putting on some moisturizer, and so I figured, you know, we'll kind of excited to see the results so far from everything that I've seen. It's looking good. So let's take this down and take a gander. So it definitely, as you can see there, covered all of my little rogue spots that were coming in. This side over here is actually really particularly hard to cover, and it looks like it did a fabulous job at that. As you can see, there's no like spots. Like normally when you do box dye, there's like normally you know, uneven spots, something somewhere, and there's none of that. I'll show you guys, like pick up back part there, and you can see the little bluish kind of tint to it, tone, which is what I wanted. If I had any complaint at all, it would actually probably be that I would like to see maybe a little bit more of a blue tone to it. But I mean, honestly guys, dude, I am really impressed. I mean, you know, you spend a ton of money, or I know I do, I don't know about you all, but I've spent a ton of money on my hair over the years, on box dyes, and going to see my stylist, and this is just like amazing. Like I know I showed you guys like the middle part, so I'll show you that. I mean, you can see like how dark it is, and just shiny and beautiful and wonderful, and it's just amazing. Like I am thoroughly impressed, I have to say. Like I'm just like, wow. And let me say too, eSalon did not send me this this box of stuff. Like I paid for it on my own dime with my own money, you know. The only thing that they sent actually that I got for free was this little thing, which by the way, I know I told you guys that I was going to tell you how awesome it worked, or not. And I have a professional one of these, so this one is very sturdy, very awesome, worked very well in getting them hard to hard to reach areas there. But I am like thoroughly impressed. I'm sorry, like I'm having to like stick my phone in front of my face here. Shoot. I'm impressed. I'm like seriously impressed. So like I said, I'm not affiliated with them at all. And like I said yesterday, my hair, you know, normally falls out like crazy when I am doing any kind of dye, box dye, even at the salon, anywhere. And not one hair fell out. Not one. Like, I was so amazed at that. Like, so, yeah. But yeah, this is even, I mean, and it just looks very natural, very shiny. Like, my hair feels amazing. Like, I mean, it feels amazing. I mean, I'm sure you guys can, like, see the difference of what my hair looked like yesterday and what it looked like today. And I mean, I just literally followed the instructions verbatim, step by step. Like I said, it took a lot to get it out of my hair last night. Sorry. But yeah, like wow. Just wow. I mean, as you can see, I've not done anything to my hair today. Like, this is the mess that this is the mess that it is first thing in the morning. Just try to show you the other side there. Let's see. I mean, there's like no spots, no nothing. I mean, it literally looks like I have like a natural highlight and low light to it. I mean, you know, the camera is not really even catching like how awesome this is. And I mean, plenty of volume, plenty of body. Like, it's just, I'm kind of really impressed, you guys. So, definitely give it a try. Like I said, I know they're doing like a thing where you can, you know, it's $10 to try. So, you know, I mean, you spend more than that on box, you know, the good box dye anyways at the store. Or if you go to Sally's, you're spending even more. And then, you know, if you go to a salon, yeah, you're spending, you know, like way more, way more. You know what I'm talking about, right? You know who you are. So, you know, this is just amazing though. So, definitely give it a try. I'm like so impressed. And follow the instructions too. Like, don't cheat yourself. Don't, because they send you 2 bottles, only use one of them. You know, follow the instructions, because it is totally worth it. So, I've got no complaints, guys. Like, seriously. Give it a try. That's all I can say. Just try it. If you've got stubborn grays, if you're a mom on the go, you know, stepmom on the go, this is your calling.